This is an overview of the CGX Quick Series EEG headsets. There are two models in the series. The Quick 32R is a 1020 montage headset with 10 additional EEG channel positions plus 2 EXG channels. The Quick 20R is a 1020 montage headset with 2 additional EXG channels. Both models include everything you need to begin EEG recordings, including sensors, lead wires, batteries, and a charger. Here's a brief overview. These are the sensor pods, the legs, and the ear pads. Here are the handles we'll use to put the headset on. The A1 handle connects reference and ground to the A1 ear clip. The A2 handle can be used with an A2 ear clip and also contains ports for 2 EXG channels. The wireless amplifier collects signals, transmitting them to the Bluetooth dongle. Both systems can be set up in minutes, are extremely comfortable, and are rated for sessions running an hour in length. Advanced mechanical and electrical design accommodates natural head movement, sitting or walking, with minimal artifact. Before we begin, download the latest version of our acquisition software. Go to cgxsystems.com, click Software, click CGX Acquisition Software, and select Downloading and Installing the software. Your system includes 3 sensors: DryPad ear sensors for the ear clips, and DryPad and Flex sensors for the head. Use DryPad sensors in positions where your subject has no hair, like the forehead and bald areas. Use Flex sensors to penetrate the hair. To install the sensors, push at the center. To remove, pry between the sensor and the connector. Do not pull on the tips of the sensor. The A1 ear clip has 2 snap connectors. Attach DryPad ear sensors to both. Attach the passive and active lead wires to either snap on the ear clip. Then, attach the lead wires to the A1 handle. The touch-proof lead wire connects to ground, and the active lead wire connects to reference. Use the optional A2 ear clip for recordings that need A2, like linked ear sessions. The A2 ear clip has a single snap connector. Attach a DryPad ear sensor, then attach the active lead wire to the A2 handle. These channels are optional and are for recording additional EEG, ECG, EMG, or EOG channels. Attach a passive lead wire to the touch-proof connector on the A2 handle. Attach a skin-tacked sensor. These channels will be displayed in the CGX data acquisition software. Use fresh, fully charged alkaline or nickel metal hydride batteries. To install, slide open the battery door on the A2 handle. Remove the batteries if the headset will not be used for a few days or longer. Push the power button on the A1 handle to turn on the headset. It will turn green. The power light turns yellow when batteries are low and red when critically low. This is the trigger indicator. If you're using the optional CGX wireless stim trigger, the light will be off when the trigger is out of range and blue when the trigger is in range. Plug the dongle into your computer, and Windows will automatically install the correct drivers. If the drivers don't load properly, refer to the user manual. Each Quick system is permanently paired to a receiver dongle. The pair automatically discover and initiate a connection when both are powered on and within a 10-meter range. The power light on the dongle indicates its current state. A green light tells you power is on, but the headset is not in range or cannot be located. A purple light indicates the dongle is searching for the headset. A blue light indicates the headset has been found, and a flashing blue light tells you when data is transmitting. Here's how to place the headset on your subject. Grasp the handles and gently pull them apart to open the headset. Check for symmetry side to side, making sure the ear pads are resting securely around the ears. Position the FP1 and FP2 sensors 1 centimeter above the eyebrows. This is important. Untangle any legs. Make sure the pods rest comfortably against the head. Lift the ear pad and place the A1 ear clip on the earlobe. The A1 ear clip with reference and ground attached must be installed to get valid impedance data. Now, push the headset downwards and rotate CZ until the sensor makes good contact. Attach the A2 ear clip and lead wires if needed. Quick Series headsets feature full-time onboard impedance checking. LED lights on the pods remain red until the pods are properly positioned on the subject, at which point they will turn green, indicating acceptable impedance levels. If you need to adjust a pod, try these methods. Check CZ first, and make sure the impedance light is green. If not, gently pull down on the handles until the CZ position makes adequate contact with the top of the head. Always perform this step first. It's important to get good impedance readings on CZ before moving on to the other positions. For positions other than CZ, lift the pod, moving hair aside. Lower the pod, keeping the sensor aligned to the subject's head. Gently twist the sensor adjustment with a smooth downward pressure. This glides the sensor through the hair. Then release when the light turns green. Avoid lifting the pod when releasing. For all adjustments, keep a hand on the top of the headset to prevent disrupting or moving the system. Acquisition software. Once you've established a connection, data should begin to stream. Double-click on the CGX acquisition software icon. You should see your device name under Discovered Devices. Click the device name and click Connect. You should now see the device configuration window. Click Start Device. We now see data streaming into the display. Click the Channels tab on the top right-hand side of the program. This will bring you to a software-based impedance check, where you can check actual impedance levels if necessary. The impedance check presents a color-coded map of the sensors on the device corresponding to the LED lights on pods. A red dot tells you impedance is above 2500 ohms. A green dot indicates impedance is acceptable and below 2500 ohms. Recording. After you have acceptable impedance levels, navigate to the Device tab and click Record to begin recording. Enter a file name. Choose your recording format: EDF, BDF, EEG, LAY, or text. To end the recording, click Stop Recording. Press the power button once to turn off the headset and place the headset in the carrying case when not in use. For additional information on your recordings, including anomalies, download a Quick Series user manual.